Hello my old school soul food fans, family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. You know, this past few weeks, like I said, I've been doing videos of stuff that's easy you have in your house or that you can make easy and quick and feed a lot of people. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some, this is my little creation of grape glaze barbecue. I'm going to do St. Louis ribs in the oven. It takes about an hour and a half to cook. Very easy, very simple. And all it takes is 3 or 4 ingredients. You put it in the oven, bake it off. It's going to be like the best ribs you ever tasted in your life. So, anyway, all I got is some Worcestershire sauce, some liquor smoke, some barbecue rub, any barbecue rub you want. I don't use any specific. The only thing, qualities I like to have in it is paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and that's the main ingredients I like to use on my rib. You know, I'm gonna be using some. I'm not using. Usually I would use my homemade old school barbecue sauce, but this recipe I need a thick one, so I'm gonna use some sweet baby rays and then my homemade grape jelly. I'm gonna mix these two together later and glaze on the rib. The first thing I'm gonna do, I gotta season the rib. You can do this ahead of time. I mean, it doesn't really matter. The easier part, you can get up in the morning and do them, but right now, just put a little liquid smoke on here. Put Worcestershire sauce on here. Right here in these ribs. All I'm doing. Worcestershire on there. I can do it in the sink here, but it can get kind of messy. So, I put the liquid smoke, I put the Worcestershire, then I just put the rub on there. Very easy, simple. Throw your rub on there. Put it on the other side. Other side here. Like I say, you can use whatever rub you like. There's no science in what rub you use, as long as your rib is good and seasoned. A bit more on that, rub it in there. Alright, that's it. Now, once you get them seasoned, got a big pan here, wrap it in foil, lay it in the pan. I'm using 2 right now because I'm going to feed some of my neighbors right now. Go through this pandemic we going through. And that's it. That's very simple right there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes on 450 degrees. 450 degrees uncovered. The reason I do that, I want to get color on here. Plus I want to bring as much water out of the ribs as I can. Because after 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the oven and let me move up a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take it out of the oven, drain the water off, and then I'm going to brush it with barbecue sauce and put it back in the oven covered for an additional 30-45 minutes till they get done. These don't take long at all. You'll see how quick they are and how flavorful they are when they come out. So anyway, let me put them in the oven. About 30 minutes uncovered, get color on them. We'll come back, drain the water off, brush it with the first step of the barbecue sauce and grape jelly combination, and then cook them off, and then the last 10 minutes we'll brush them once again. We'll have the best looking barbecue ribs in the oven you ever tasted. We'll be right back. Alright y'all, I'm back here for a second. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all what I do to make the glaze for the ribs. Very simple. All I do is I'm going to put, it's going to be half barbecue sauce and half, I use a thick, you use any thick barbecue sauce. I use sweet baby rays for this. And then I use my homemade old school grape jelly for this. Put that in there. And what all I'm gonna do is just turn them on and melt it together. That's all I'm gonna do. Melt it together here. take 2 minutes. Just want to melt the jelly down, make sure it mixed in with the barbecue sauce. And that's it. And we'll be right back in a few minutes when the ribs, you know, they're at the first step right now. They're in the oven. 30 minutes later, I take it out. I'm going to drain the water off. I'm going to brush it with half of this glaze on the rib. I'm going to cover it up, let it cook additional 30 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, drain with a little water off of that, and brush the rest of the sauce on it. Very simple. It takes about an hour and a half to do this process. Very quick. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay. Let's check the ribs out here. Oh, yeah. This is what you want. See that color on them? That's exactly what you want here. That nice color on there. Put them over here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain the liquid off what's on here. Hold it here. All the liquid you want to drain off. Every bit of the liquid. That's the key. See that? Now, remember that glaze I made? The glaze I made a while ago? Now we're going to put a little glaze on top of here. On top of this. And then we're going to cover it. Now I'm going to kind of dabble it on there. I don't want to take off the rub. Just want to kind of, you know, dab it on there. That's all you want to do. See, it's nice and thick on there. So we're going to save half the glaze, because we're going to glaze it one more time after they come out of the oven. So it's really 3 steps to this. If you don't like barbecue sauce, you can actually skip this step. Some people don't like barbecue sauce. And this is the only time you'll see me put barbecue sauce on ribs before they're completely done. The only time you do that. You'll never put it on there until they're completely ready. Okay, now, the last step here, we're going to cover them up. Let them cook for 30 minutes until they tender. It usually take about 30 minutes. This pan is hot, but I got heat resistant fingers there. Okay, we'll be right back. About 30 minutes. Take the foil off, glaze it one more time, cook another 5 minutes, and that'll be it. We'll be right back. Also, turn the oven down to 350 degrees. When you're cooking them covered, you got it at 450 now, turn it down to 350 degrees. Almost forgot to tell y'all that. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, it's been about, I let them go like 45 minutes here. We're gonna see what we got here. We got one more step to this. Let's see here. Oh yeah. See how that looks? Get a close up of that, y'all. Get a close up of this here. So y'all can see what I'm about to do here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, get rid of the foil. I'm not going to need it. And whatever juices are in here, I'm going to pour them out one more time here. Get my thing here. One more time. Pour the juices out of there. Now, I'm going to put the final, with that little sauce I had left. Now, we're going to put it on there. And this time we're going to put it in here uncovered. But these are done. All I want to do now is get that final glaze on these ribs. But these ribs are ready. Now this, if you don't want barbecue sauce, this would be the final step, would be to put it back in the oven uncovered. So I'm going to put the oven back up to 450 degrees. And we're going to do this like 10 minutes. And we're going to take them back out. So make sure we glaze them good. And like I say, these definitely going to be some finger licking good. Finger licking ribs. Okay, that's it. See that? Now put them right back in the oven. Move this back out the way. that goodness right there. That's goodness there. Up in here. About 15 more minutes. When we come back, we're going to have some awesome oven ribs. In about an hour and a half. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay. We're going to take these out of the oven, put them in for 10 more minutes, then we'll put a little bit more glaze on them. And that is it. That's what you get right there. See that? Nice. Nice ribs. Okay, we're going to put them here on the... Let me get me a platter here. I got a platter here. We're going to put it on here. Move this over. This didn't take long at all, y'all. This didn't take long at all. Took an hour and a half, really, to do these ribs. Okay, let me get my other thing here to put them on. Help me lift them up here. Definitely ain't gonna be. There's one there. Lift the other one up here. That's it. That's it. Now, definitely gonna let these cool. Gonna let these cool off. Then we're gonna come back. Look at them ribs. Look at that. Oven baked. People think you worked all day on them ribs, and you did them in an hour and a half in the oven. So we'll be right back here, and we're gonna sample them. We'll be right back in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna let them cool off a little. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna cut one of these and try it here. Oh, I like the little piece. Oh yeah. These are that slices. That little bitty piece right there. That's what you want. Look at that. That nice juicy rib. See how juicy that is? Look at that. See how it come off the bone? See how clean that is? Look at that bone. Like I say, y'all, definitely finger licking good. Okay. Put this on the hot here. Put this on the platter here. Cut this in pieces here. Try how tender. Look how tender that is. Wow. It's so good. So good, y'all. A little salt. Wow. So tender, juicy. You see, it's not overcooked. It's still on the bone, the rib, but they come out clean. That's what you want. That's what you want. So guys and girls, try this recipe. Please comment. I can't stop eating these. Wow. Wow. All I can say is wow. They'll think you've been outside all day cooking. Anyway, please share, please comment, please subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.